Kevin is a great chef, but he makes more of a mess than a meal. This is my kitchen after he cooks, and this is my kitchen after Prepdeck. I look fantastic. If you want to make a meal like this, without a mess like this, you need to prep like this. With the Prepdeck, when he says, I cook, you clean, it's a fair trade-off, not a sick joke. The Prepdeck is a complete chef station with everything you need to prep for an Instagrammable meal, all in a compact case.
It makes cooking so easy.
It's gonna help me stay organized, keep the kitchen clean whenever I am cooking.
Prepdeck makes it easier to chop, dice, measure, and prepare all of the ingredients, making cooking quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. And they are all made with clear, dishwasher-safe Tritan material. And just like the pros, you'll have everything you need right here. And they all snap right onto the container. Buy Prepdeck today and get all this functionality in one tidy little case. So get your Prepdeck today and make a meal, not a mess.